So I'm back again with another video. Pretty much gonna be me reviewing a knockoff or replica of the infamous TELFAR bag. I'm gonna be comparing it because I have a real one and this one is from Aliexpress. So y'all, let me tell y'all, okay? Let me tell you. I paid, let me get the receipts. Hold on, let me get the receipts. So I paid $41.89 for this bag. I was on TikTok and I seen this girl, she was showing her bag, like her replica that she bought, and in the comments she included this link. Now there's a lot of different ones on AliExpress, but I was reading the reviews and looking at the pictures and the bag looked horrible. Like the embossment, like the E, it looked crazy, like no. So this one is the best that I've seen. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, like the TELFAR bag, I'm gonna put a picture here, like the little one. But I got two of them. For the total, it came up to $81.92. Shipping was also relatively fast. I ordered this on November 28th of this year and I got it literally on the 24th. I say AliExpress is getting super quick with the shipping because I used to wait a good 3-4 months for my stuff to come. So I'm very shocked. This came relatively fast. So yeah, let me stop rambling and get on to the good stuff. So this is the box. This is the box that it came with. Obviously at the post office they got that box or whatever. So this is the box that it comes with, nothing special. It's a little beat up, but you know, it's all right. So this is gonna be my live unboxing. By the way, yeah, the other one that I bought was for her because she, you know, she just wanted to be like me, duh. But now I'm playing. But she opened hers and she said that she liked it and it looked like, you know, spot on. So this is gonna be my live reaction. Okay, so make sure y'all can see. Ooh, okay. So it comes with the little ⴂᴏᴑᴇ dust bag. Ah! Okay, no, this is kind of cute. All right. So this is the little plastic. No, like why am I mad excited? This is the real TELFAR dust bag. Drawstrings, you know, all that. The replica. Like what? This is crazy. The material looked the same and everything. All right, y'all ready? She's cute. Nah, this is mad cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me turn my light down a little bit so y'all can see. But this is it. I'm very shocked. Like, I know I'm being mad dramatic, but I'm super shocked. Like, wow. This look crazy good. And then this is how long the straps are. Nah, what? I'm about to be walking down the street with my ⴂᴑᴇ, my little ⴂᴑᴇ. Can't tell me nothing. I can't tell me. But like, this is so cute. This is the inside. It even has the TELFAR logo, satin lined or whatever this material is. I don't know, silk, whatever. It has a little magnet clamp. You know, just close it. It even has the little TELFAR tag. But yeah, this is a little bag. You know, I could fit my gum, my phone. You know, let me see what I can fit in. Let me see what I could fit up in here. Okay, maybe my phone can't fit in there without the case. AirPods, Blistex. My wallet ain't in here, but mind your business. Like, what? This is so cute. So cute. Now that I'm looking closer at the bag itself, there's like little, I don't know if y'all can see that, but y'all probably can't. It's just like little frayed stitching. Like, you know when the stitching is frayed, I kind of see that. As for the embossment, this looks super good. Like, it's not too deep, it's not too you know, like faint. It's pretty good. Y'all can compare and see which one, like, would you ever tell. So this is the medium and then this is the small. Like, would y'all ever tell? Would you? Would you ever tell? Like, look at the embossment. Come on now. Come on. So this is the inside. Let me put this one down. The medium one has the pocket, and then it has the zipper, and it has this like satin lining, and it has the TELFAR logo. Yeah, so I told you I got two, so I'm gonna show you the other one. This is the tan. The tan is super cute too. Now I say that the quality is super good. Like, this really feels like, it's not leather, probably not leather, but it does feel identical, super identical to the real one. Not really. Okay, that might be a little bit of a stretch, but it feels like okay quality. Like, it's not gonna break on you in a day. Honestly, you cannot beat the price of this. But what I will say, if you can, you try and order off the TELFAR website. I know it's mad hard. Like, it's so hard to get one. But if you can, most definitely do it, because TELFAR as a designer and what he just does for the community, the black community in general, is crazy. So most definitely support him before you go out and, you know, buy the cheap knockoffs. Now, if you can't get your hands on a real one, most definitely say go to Aliexpress and get you this bag. This also came in multiple colors. Yeah. But I'm super happy with my purchase. Will I be ordering one again? Maybe. Yes, I will. I'm most definitely gonna add the link in the description box below. Yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. If y'all liked it, make sure y'all give it a like, you know, comment and subscribe, because it is greatly appreciated. I am most definitely back for the New Year's. I really missed you guys, like, a lot. Like, I know I don't have like a big following or whatever, but just seeing the little love that I do get, it touches me. It touches me right here in my heart. I love y'all. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at @SheIsIndie. I'm gonna have it somewhere on the screen, whatever. Follow my social medias, and yeah, connect with me, you know, keep up with me. That's it for today, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace.